to my future employer, good day, sir, ma'am. I am Irene Dauray, 34 years old. I am Roman Catholic. I am single with 2 kids. One son, 15 years old. One daughter, 10 years old. I am ex-abroad in Dubai, year 2005 to 2008. I am housekeeping. I do all the household chores like cooking, cleaning, washing. I'm willing to take care a new baby. I'm willing to take care 3 months to 12 months. I'm willing to take care children age 1 year old to 5 year old. I'm willing to take care children age 10 all above. I, I, do, I do not use to take care elder person and bedridden person. I know how to cook Filipino foods. I, I afraid of dog or other pets. I don't have any allergy. I know the contract in Malaysia is 2 years. I know the salary in Malaysia is $400. I understand and I promise to employer that I need to finish my contract before I came back here in Philippines. I'm truly worth hardworking, fast learning, kind, have long patient, understand, and happy person. Thank you and God bless. I hope you will choose me as your worker.